ChatGPT picked my stock portfolio. These are the stocks it picked. As you know from previous videos, I said an experiment. This is 12th of May. I inputted the data into ChatGPT. Yeah, I know there's some of you who didn't know you could do that and you had a heart attack. And these are the names of the companies that it came up with. And then I'll tell you at the end exactly what I did, how I put it in. Right, so I asked it, and I stuck to the Dow 30 stock because there's a hell of a lot of data we put in. And I asked it also to be Eugene Fama and Warren Buffett, as well as have in consideration the latest academic research. These were the names that it came up with. Merck, my only worry with this one is not that, okay, all the analysts love it. Just the momentum looks like it's overbought. It's been rising sharply. Well, it's doubled basically already since January. The data I fed into it told it that. It also told it right up to May 2022 where we were, and on a discount cash flow it's overvalued as well, so just a little bit concerned about this. Okay, Procter and Gamble was another one it picked. Again, the analysts love it, and the angle of inclination tells me about 31% return over the next year, and I think that is quite possible with Procter and Gamble, and the momentum looks right, even if it's somewhat overvalued according to discount cash flow. Visa was another one. Can it do 42%? I don't think so, but the momentum looks good, so it's I think it's a good pick that it's given, even though again it looks like on discount cash flow it's overvalued. Microsoft, which I like, and it selected this as well for my pension portfolio. Here we go, and that's that. Caterpillar, overbought. I'm not sure about this one, and there's a lot of buy and sells amongst the analysts as well, but it's a little bit undervalued. It felt it was one of the best. Cisco as well, and you can see could well be good, and it's undervalued. JP Morgan Chase, and I'll tell you what the reasonings were, but that it gave in a moment. Okay, and undervalued. Berkshire Hathaway, who's going to complain about it being selecting that, even though possibly overvalued. ExxonMobil, bottom of that upward trend line, but still you can see the direction, overbought. So I'm not so sure, AI, whether you're right on that. We'll be able to find out on 12th of May 2024, because I did tell it to tell me over a 12-month period. Nike, there's the direction, 44% return possible in the next year or so. Momentum, yeah, could be. Discount cash flow is overvalued. Apple looks good, all looks fine by me. And this is the data. So now you've had the stocks. How do we do it? Well, this was some of the data that was inputted. It's really simple. You get the data from the stock market and various other sources. I happen to use ShareScope. You download it into an Excel spreadsheet. You cut and paste the CSV into ChatGPT. Okay, so now it's got the data. And then you got to formulate the prompts. I started off with a simple prompt. Pretend you're Warren Buffett, Eugene Fama. Consider all the data I've just inputted. Which stocks do you like? Then the next thing I did is I said, right, now on top of that, I want you to know that interest rates are rising as well. Which companies do you like now? And then I said, be Buffett, Fama, rising interest rates, consider the top academic journals as well. Add all the data I gave you right up to May 2022. Now what do you say? And these were the names it came up with. I asked it, what information didn't you have that you would have liked, and more information you would have liked, and that's that listed over there. And I asked it, what was the academic literature that you relied upon in order to pick these stocks? And here we go. There's the list. Everything from efficient market hypothesis, random walk theory, to financial econometrics and modern portfolio theory and behavioral finance as well. All right, that's your lot. What you want to do right now for your future success and mental well-being is go on alpeshpatel.com/link, subscribe, like, share, hug, kiss, whatever you need to do, just do it. Okay, thank you all very much, and I look forward to speaking to you in the future on how well AI's done.